Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a hobby basketball break. I got one box of 2016-17 Panini Limited. I picked this up at Steel City Collectibles. They had it on for sale for $49.95. You only get 8 cards per box, so I haven't opened up a lot of 16-17 because of the rookie class. Of course you got Ben Simmons, but there's only a few others to collect. So, but limited, you have a shot at some decent shot at some vets for a lower price. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. All right. Let's see, the base card's on the bottom. Okay, that is not a base card. Alright. Nice Devin Booker base. Nice looking base design. Karl Anthony Towns. Roy Hibbert. Okay. And we got an Okafor, numbered 19 out of 25. And we got a Juan Limited Rookies, Gomez. Doesn't look like it's numbered. No, not numbered. Alright, and the hits. Diamond Stone Rookie Auto Jersey, numbered to 99. And can the second hit please be autoed? That's all I get to say. We got Anthony Davis Jersey. No auto this time. Numbered 81 out of 99. So it didn't do the greatest, but it's a pretty nice looking card. Nice thick stock. Good looking base. Some good one card number to 25. That's it for this box of 2016-17 Limited, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.